Welcome to Captiva's premier desktop repair service. If you're dealing with a sluggish or malfunctioning desktop, our team is ready to assist you with reliable solutions right at your doorstep. We bring the repair shop to you. Save time and avoid the hassle by having our experts provide on-site desktop repair services at your home or office in Captiva. Our services are not only fast, but also budget-friendly. Reach out today to get your Captiva desktop repair service quote and experience efficient solutions without breaking the bank. We offer a wide range of repair solutions. Whether it's hardware fixes or software troubleshooting, our skilled technicians handle all aspects of desktop repair with expertise. Choose us for our experienced technicians, affordable rates, and convenient on-site service. We are committed to delivering top-notch repair services tailored to your needs. Curious about the cost? We offer transparent pricing. Call us at 239-421-8187 or visit CaptivaDesktopRepairService.com to get your Captiva desktop repair service quote today. We service all desktop brands and models, whether for home or office use. Common issues we fix include slow performance, hardware failures, software crashes, and network problems. Your satisfaction is our priority. Experience fast, reliable, and friendly service. Don't let problems worsen. Call us now at 239-421-8187 for your repair quote and visit Captiva Desktop Repair Service. Com.